importance of cleaning these coils is to allow proper airflow for this system to breathe and to be able to cool your home efficiently. The dirt and things that gather in this coil restrict airflow down to where you can get exactly to the coil itself. So what we do, we remove all the sheet metal off the system. Most companies may not take off the sheet metal and things of that nature, but they'll actually just leave it on there and then spray it through the sheet metal. Or we try to get down to the coil itself and make sure we're giving a proper and thorough cleaning of your system. We rinse it down with water, and then we also this coil cleaner on here that actually helps push the dirt out of the coil itself. So as it pushes it out, we let it sit for 5 minutes to kind of help remove all the dirt and debris. By doing this, it helps the system breathe better, have better efficiency, and also improve the overall operation of your system.